Okay, for 26, more diamond problems. Again, these are incredibly important, so that's why there's so many of them. Let's remember our chart here, because you're not always going to get it. The top diamond is multiplied, the bottom diamond is added. So for A, we have 6 plus negative 11. 6 plus negative 11 is negative 5, right? So that goes there. And in the top diamond, we have 6 times negative 11, which is negative 66. That goes up in the top diamond, right? Okay. And then for B, again, for B, they give us the two easier numbers. So the bottom, I have negative 1 plus negative 4. That's negative 5 in the bottom diamond. And the top, I have negative 1 times negative 4 multiplied. That's 4, right, in the top. So for C, this is a missing value, x, right? So the top is saying x times negative 2 equals negative 6. So we ask ourselves, what times negative 2 is negative 6, right? And that's 3, right? 3 times negative 2. And then the bottom is just 3 plus negative 2, which is 1. And for the last one, if this is x and this is y, they're saying, x plus y equals negative 7. And for the top, x times y equals negative 8. So to multiply two numbers and get a negative, that means one of them is positive and one of them is negative, right? So if one of them is positive, one of them is negative, then we can try values, right? So in the bottom, if I make x1, 1 plus negative 8, that would be negative 7, right? 1 plus negative 8, that would work. And in the top, 1 times negative 8 equals negative 8. So I actually got it on the first try, right? If that didn't work, then I would try 2 plus negative 9, and then 3 plus negative 10, right? I would just try them to see which ones work.